Hello friends, Chad here, coming to you for your late weekly update. Today's the 26th. It's Thursday. Didn't feel really good on Tuesday. Didn't feel really good on Wednesday. Today I'm feeling a little bit better, getting some stuff done out here. Stand by for the irrigation video, which may be out before this one. But it is time for a general weekly update on what the heck we've got going on in here, so stay tuned. Well, I sure do appreciate you tuning in today. So if you've made it this far, perhaps you should subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell notification if you want to get notified when I have a new video come out, which is every week or so. Today, like I said, is just going to be a general once over on how everything's doing here, what I've accomplished in the week, and kind of how things are looking. So let's get to it. As a whole, the week has been fairly unproductive-ish. It was really cold. We got that snow, which reminds me I need to post those videos of the snow. So it was cold. I didn't get a whole lot done. And then I didn't really feel good today. I'm not feeling 100% if I'm being honest with you. But I got to get stuff done. That's no excuse for inaction. Today I've been working on the irrigation system. There'll be a whole video out on that. I redid the mixing station up front. The header lines and the feeder lines are ready to rock and roll. They're looking good. I have all my drip tape cut. I just have to connect it because some of these plants are fixing to outgrow the hoop houses. I need to change my CO2 tank out. It's on the agenda this evening. So we'll start here in the back with a 2350 Ginger. It is the smallest of the plants so far. I think I'll have to watch my videos from last year, but I want to say the 2350 was my smallest plant last year as well, and then really came on strong. So that's not concerning to me, but it is. It's looking good. It's laying down, and it's starting to rut. And it's getting there. Let's check out the ones in the middle. Got to make a decision on these. And if I did take a video of me culling my plants, so I got to post that one too. There may be a lot of videos posted today as I catch up for tomorrow. The 2300 Wolf, 2112 Wallace. I think this is the one that's going to win. The 2300 Wolf. 2112 Wallace is a great looking plant, but compared to this guy is just has a better grasp on life for his age, and I probably need to yank that guy out. So we're putting all of our money on this guy. I really like the look of the plant. It's just a really healthy, vigorous looking plant. And then last but definitely not least is the 1676 Newt. My seed is looking really good, actually. It's my biggest plant that I have, my biggest plant in my worst spot. Maybe I should have put that one in the middle. Live and learn. But it's doing really good, great growth gains. It's probably doing, I don't know, maybe 10-ish inches a day or so at this point. So I really need to get the drip tape down on this tomorrow, because every day it gets a little harder for me to fish the line underneath it, and it's at the age, or it's at the size where I can probably start to bury the vines on this guy. It's hard to believe that in the next maybe 15 to 20 days I'm really going to be looking at pollinating a pumpkin. Even with the plant this size, stick with me, and in 3 weeks it'll be all of this. So it's probably in my mind one of the best, most fun, interesting things about growing these things. The pumpkin itself is awesome, but watching the plants take off once we're this size, that's when any pumpkin plant really is just going to start to explode in size. Knock on wood, as long as everything goes good. So there you go. That's your quick update. All the trash over here, redid all that. Look how nice that looks. Looks awesome. I like it. All that garbage will get thrown away, don't worry. Got all the fertilizer organized over there, so I'm doing lots of little things, but hopefully this weekend I will get all of this wrapped up I'll get all of the major projects in here done, and by next week I'll be able to show you a video where basically I'm kind of like I'm done in here for the year, and we're just focusing on the plants. So that's it. Have a good one, everybody. Make sure you get out there and grow yourself a giant pumpkin. See you next week.